Rainfall like this is so rare in Southern California that Los Angeles County is hoping to squeeze out every drop by cloud seeding from ground stations like this one.
There are 10 of these locations throughout the San Gabriel Mountains.
Kurjan Lee is with the LA County Department of Public Works, which has paid $500,000 to a cloud seeding contractor promising to make more rain. When you say the term cloud seeding, a lot of people think it's just hocus pocus.
Well, this actually comes with a lot of science behind it.
Cloud seeding works when silver iodide particles are sprayed into a saturated cloud. They act like a nucleus, which attracts supercooled water vapor that freezes into ice. Once the ice becomes heavy enough, it falls and melts to become rain. LA County officials insist they can get up to 15% more rainfall with no health risks. Do people have to worry that their water systems may be contaminated from cloud seeding?
No, absolutely not. Cloud seeding is absolutely safe.
How much more water do you think you can actually get out of these clouds?
Based on our 50-year study, we think we can get an additional 1.5 billion gallons a year.
And that would be a welcome sight in Southern California's depleted reservoirs. Carter Evans, CBS News, Los Angeles.
Yeah, there you go. If they say it's healthy, that means it's not healthy. But see, that's going on in every state, whether you know it or not, man. It's hard to find these clips, and they show up everywhere. You just got to dig for them, man. They keep them hid. They're not open about the weather wars that are going on in the skies at all. So we could also, I showed you this cloud seeding operation. You got one down here in Texas and also up in BC. But we're going to go ahead and call this a show tonight. You got the Southern Californians being sprayed into Arizona. Parts of New Mexico is getting sprayed. Just small. There's some heavy trails. Anyway, we'll get into this more tomorrow. I want to thank everybody out there that shares this information out and helps spread the word, man. We're making a difference